Well, good morning, everybody. It's the day after Christmas, pretty early.
And I'm super excited.
I'm excited too.
I live for the excitement.
We're about to head west across the great state of Texas for our annual trip to
Big Bend.
Big Bend Bus Bash.
The Big Bend Bus Bash. So, boy, howdy, there's always adventure awaits. So stick with us. This is going to be, it's always there's always something.
Yeah, 8 vintage Volkswagens going across Texas. What could go wrong?
What could possibly...
And didn't that motor over there go in on Christmas Eve?
Yeah. So, yeah.
The one that's not
The
starting?
one that's trying to start now. Yeah. I told... Oh, gosh. All right. Hey.
It's starting! All right, let's go! It is super foggy, and we're dealing with one-lane roads and passing lanes. We're just trying to be cautious, that's all. It should burn off soon, so we'll be good.
Six hours later.
So we lost power on I-10, okay. Let's see what happens.
It feels like gas.
Oh gosh, you're boiling.
Yeah?
Yeah, look, you're boiling.
The whole top of that carb's coming off.
Oh! Look at that.
That's what you get when you borrow a motor from VWLIFE. Look right down at the top of the car.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, that thing was loose the whole time.
Yeah.
That's why it was idling all high. It was sucking in air, right?
Yeah.
Good job with good job with traffic,
baby.
Jake.
And we found a chain.
Free chain.
10 seconds later.
Okay, we just had Helga just broke down a couple times. I'm having some timing issues, who knows what. It has a little miss to it, so we're gonna just see if we can keep going. We just changed the timing a bit.
Yeah.
It's only been 2 years. All right, I'll turn it over. You wanna look at it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Barely getting anything.
Yeah, that's it.
The propane, I have the thing that goes under it.
Here, old new. Got a brand new tube of grease. Look at that,
Oh.
STP.
Proof Matt Jackson works on his own stuff.
So you really want to get that in that little hole right there. You want to really grease up that hole
Yeah.
right there. You want to pack that hole with grease. Yeah, that's good. That's always good to check that. All right.
Okay, Matt Jackson.
The rear bolt. Sorry, I keep breaking down, guys. We could be there by now.
No, it's always going to be one of us. It's just the way this goes.
Ask me how I know. I've gone through like 3 fuel pumps on a trip once.
Get it all over there.
There we go. Okay. It ejaculated. High five. High five.
Yes. All right. We've been driving 8.5 hours. We still got at least like 3-ish hours ahead of us. We found a rest stop just to stretch our legs. Big Bend Bus Bash 2021. All right, now Jay can't start. We're thinking it's the same thing. There is no fuel in that filter right there. There is no fuel in your filter.
10 chains.
Hey,
Stuck on Round Rock.
All right, bleeding it again.
Is it draining? Let it drain a little bit. Is it coming? Yeah, that's good. Okay.
All right, you're good.
All right, fire in the hole. Clear it.
Yeah.
All right, paper lock possibly. VWLIFE. Fort Stockton. Helga's still running like crap, so hopefully we'll make it to Marathon and we'll look at it in the morning.
If you move to the right side of the lane. Everybody's throwing a really nice shadow on the left.
All right, everyone's cooking. Day one's complete. Tomorrow we got work. We gotta fix the buses and head south. Swap out the Dizzy. All right, new Dizzy is in, and now we're gonna swap the cap. Well, trials and tribulations behind us, we hope.
Bad gas, dwell off, timing off.
Bad distributor.
Distributor cap button gone bad, which I've never seen because Matt Jackson doesn't do preventative maintenance.
Vapor lock.
Vapor lock, fuel pump change, carburetor fall off the top.
Headwinds, uphills.
Headwinds, uphills.
You name it, we're facing it.
And we've only been gone a day. This is the last bit of civilization for maybe like 2 weeks.
A few months.
A few months. This is the last episode. This is it. You'll never see
The
it.
lost tapes.
The lost tapes.
If someone finds this footage,
please put it on VWLIFE.
tell them we loved doing what we did, and we died doing what we
We
loved.
did this for the VW community, but this is it.
Bye, guys.
We're going in.
Welcome to Big Bend, Bill. Alright, we're replacing the spark plugs. Seems like that's the next logical step. I still have a stumble, but the replacement Dizzy helped out a lot. New fuel filter. Alright, I'm gonna pull off the old filter. Alright, old filter is off. New filter is on. Release that. Okay. Well, as the sun sets at Big Bend, I've got a new fuel pump, a replacement distributor, new spark plugs, and now a new fuel filter. I'm gonna give it a run, see how she goes.
Day two, as you can tell by that beautiful sunset that's going to happen, we've had a thrilling day today. From freezing our tails off at Post Park, 37 degrees this morning, up through Marathon, our final stop in civilization, and we came down into the park, had a wonderful lunch off of Dagger Flats Road, and now here we are in Big Bend National Park, and sitting up on top of this mesa, ready to watch the sunset over the Chisos. Everybody's kind of doing their own thing for supper. It just doesn't get any better than that. It really doesn't. It's been a great day. I hope everybody's enjoyed it. And there's Willie starting to... Come here, Willie. Really, sir.
like a bonfire on a cold night. Yeah, and you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life.